Xin chào! Hello everyone, my name is Hai. Welcome back to our class. In the last lesson, you learned about Vietnamese basic personal pronouns and how to say hello and hi in Vietnamese. And today, we are going to learn in detail words and phrases you will use to tell your name and your nationality. Our lesson today is divided into two main parts. The first part, I would like to show you how to ask and answer about name. And the second part of our lesson today, I would like to show you how to ask and answer about nationality. Let's begin with the first part. What's your name? When you want to ask a person's name, in Vietnamese, we have the structures. Subject plus tên là gì? One more time. Tên là gì? Okay. Tên means name. Là is to be in Vietnamese. And gì means what? Okay, so in the last lesson, you already learned about Vietnamese basic personal pronoun, and you have to choose the appropriate second personal pronouns depending on the age, the gender, and the relation of the person you are asking. So these structures means what's your name? Okay, tên là gì? For example, when you ask someone who is around your age, you will ask, Bạn tên là gì? Bạn is neutral personal pronoun. You refer to someone who is in the same age as you. Bạn tên là gì means, what's your name, friend? When you ask someone who is a man and who is a little bit older than you call him anh and you ask, Anh tên là gì ạ? It's just an additional word that you put at the end of the sentence to show the respect or to show your politeness to the person you are talking to. When you ask a woman who is older a little bit than you call her chị and you ask, Chị tên là gì ạ? Right. When you ask a person who is younger a little bit than you call him or her em and you ask, Em tên là gì? Right. What's your name, younger sister or younger brother? Okay. So how to answer? We have a structure. Subject plus tên là and your name. For example, Tôi tên là Hạnh. Okay. As I told you before, tên means name and là is to be in Vietnamese. So, Tôi tên là Hạnh means my name is Hai. And we have another way to answer this question. This is là and you add your name here. For example, Tôi là Hạnh. Right. Tôi means I, and là is to be in Vietnamese, and Hai is my name. So this sentence can be translated into I am Hai. Okay, so you just finished the first part of our lesson today. What's your name? Now let's move on to the second part, which is how to ask and answer about nationality. When you want to ask where are you from, in Vietnamese we have the formula subject plus là người nước nào. One more time. Là người nước nào. Okay, faster. Là người nước nào. Right. For example, anh là người nước nào ạ? Right. So now I will explain in detail. Là, as I told you before, is to be in Vietnamese. Người means pupil or person. Nước means country. And nào means which. So this sentence can be translated into where you're from, or what is your nationality, or which country are you from. Alright. So when you ask a man who is older a little bit than you call him anh and you ask, anh là người nước nào ạ? Where are you from? Elder brother. When you ask a woman who is older a little bit than you will ask, chị là người nước nào ạ? Where are you from, elder sister? And when you ask a man or woman who is younger a little bit than you, and you will ask, em là người nước nào? Right. Okay. So now, I would like to show you how to answer this question. We have the structure. Subject plus là người. And then you add your country name here. For example, tôi là người Việt Nam. Right. Là, as I told you before, is to be in Vietnamese. And người means pupil or person. And Vietnam means Vietnam. Alright. So, người Việt Nam means Vietnamese pupil. Right. So this sentence, tôi là người Việt Nam, means I am Vietnamese or I'm from Vietnam. So now I would like to show you name of some country. Nhật Bản. Nhật Bản. Japan. Hàn Quốc. Hàn Quốc. Korea. Anh. England. Trung Quốc. Trung Quốc. China. Mỹ. America. Pháp. France. Thái Lan. Thailand. And I'm sorry if your country's name wasn't mentioned here because of time limitation of the video. So now, I would like to give you a short conversation between two persons. This is Hai, a Vietnamese girl, and this is Yuki, a Japanese girl. Xin chào. Chào bạn. Bạn tên là gì? Tôi tên là Yuki. Bạn tên là gì? Tôi tên là Hạnh. Tôi là người Việt Nam. Yuki là người nước nào? Tôi là người Nhật Bản. Alright. So that is the conversation between Hạnh and Yuki. And first, Hạnh said, Xin chào. And as you learned in the previous lesson, Xin chào means hello. And Yuki responds to Hạnh, Chào bạn. Okay. Chào also means hello. And after that, you add the suitable personal pronoun. Bạn here means friend. Because Yuki and Hạnh is the same age. And Yuki called Hạnh bạn means friend. Hello friend. And then Hạnh asked, Bạn tên là gì? Tên là gì means what's your name, friend? And Yuki answered, Tôi tên là Yuki. My name is Yuki. And Yuki asked back, Bạn tên là gì? What's your name, friend? And Hạnh answered, Tôi là Hạnh. And as you see here, there are two ways to answer the questions. What's your name? The first one is to say, Tôi tên là, okay? Or tôi là means I am. And Hạnh also introduced her nationality. Tôi là người Việt Nam. I am Vietnamese. And Hạnh asked Yuki, Yuki là người nước nào? Means, where are you from, Yuki? Or what is your nationality, Yuki? And Yuki answered, Tôi là người Nhật Bản. Tôi là người Nhật Bản. Người means people or person. And Nhật Bản means Japan. So người Nhật Bản means Japanese. And Yuki answered, I am Japanese. Alright. So that is the end of our lesson today. In conclusion, today we learned about how to ask a person name and tell your name. And the second part, we learned about how to ask and answer about nationality. I hope that you will find this video useful. So if you have any comments or any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. Tạm biệt. Goodbye.